In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly share your files using Dropbox and email. Whether you need to send a PDF document, a series of images, or even a video file, Dropbox makes it simple. Let's dive right in. First, head over to your Dropbox homepage. Browse through your files to pinpoint the document or folder you wish to share. Imagine you've spotted it, a PDF perhaps, or maybe a collection of images. Hover your mouse over this file or folder. You'll notice a share icon or an option to share directly. Click on that. Once you've clicked, Dropbox will generate a shareable link to your file or folder. This link is your golden key, granting others access to view or download the file. To capture it, click on the Copy Link button. With that, your shareable link is now primed and ready for action. Now, let's shift our focus to crafting an email. We'll use Outlook for this example, given its popularity. Open a new tab in your browser and log into your Outlook account. Once you're in, look for the new email button, typically located on the left side of the interface, and give it a click. A fresh email draft opens up, eagerly awaiting your input. In the To field, type in the email address of your intended recipient. Remember, accuracy is key here to ensure your file reaches the right person. Next, let's talk about the subject line. Including a subject is a great way to set the stage for your recipient. If it's a work file, for example, your subject could be Project Documents Enclosed. This gives a heads up about the email's content. Now for the main event, pasting that Dropbox link into the body of your email. Click into the body of your email draft and press Ctrl+V on a PC or CMD+V on a Mac. This pastes the link you just copied. Consider adding a brief message along with your link to explain what it is, or to offer any instructions or comments related to the shared file. Before you hit the send button, take a moment to review your email. Double-check the recipient's email address for accuracy. Ensure your subject line is clear and free of typos, and verify that your Dropbox link is correctly pasted. Once you've ensured everything is in order, press send. Your email, complete with the Dropbox link, is now winging its way to your recipient. They'll be able to access the linked file or folder based on the permissions you've set in Dropbox. And voila! That's your simple, step-by-step guide to sharing files using Dropbox links through email. Sharing files has never been more accessible. With Dropbox, you can rest assured knowing your files are secure while providing an easy access point for others. Thanks for watching. Happy sharing.